a nurse or a student, and then as asked, we can keep entering our details so that our details will be captured by the system, and finally we can register after entering the CAPTCHA code. And then once we register and log in, this is how the home page looks like. We have 4 different courses. One is on COVID-19, then Midwifery Module 1, Midwifery Module 2, and Midwifery Module 3. So once you click on Midwifery Module 1, this is how it comes up. So this is the first page of the Midwifery Module 1, and you can see it's 5 hours is the duration, and we have 5 CNE hours for this module. So the details, when you scroll down, we can see the details below. And this module has 4 presentations. The first one on education technology, part 1. Presentation 2 is on part 2. Presentation 3 is on midwifery education and practice concepts. And in the 4th presentation, we can learn about the maternal health scenario in India. So once we understand what is inside the course, we can click on the module, but here you can see the presentations are long. So you have to click on the exercise. So once you click on the exercise, we get the pre-exam, and we have to proceed doing the pre-exam, which is of 20 questions. Once the pre-exam is completed, then this presentation 1.1 opens, and we can click on it to proceed for the module. This is how the first page looks. So we have a scroll bar here. You can go up and down here, and volume can be increased. The time also can be adjusted. So this is just a glimpse of it. And in case you want to exit somewhere in between, you can exit it. And once you log in again, you can resume from the place where you had stopped. So this is how we scroll down and move to the next slide with audio. And finally, when we come to the end, that's a thank you slide. After this, we can exit. So once we exit or complete the presentation, we can go into the exercise, and their presentation test, presentation 1.1 opens. So it is of 10 questions, just a post test to see how much we have understood. Then this is how the result comes. We have to get 80% to move to the next module. So once we have completed this, we can go to presentation 2. Similarly, we can go through all presentation, and then the final exam opens. Final exam is of 20 questions from all the presentations that were given. And then once we complete it, we can go in for the final certificate. So the final certificate will be here. Once you click on it, this is how it comes up. So your score will be there, and you can click on the certificate and download the certificate. So by completing one module, we had 5 CNE hours, that is 1 CNE credit. Similarly, this is module 2, and we have 5 presentations in module 2. This is completely on midwifery. So evidence-based antenatal care, management of antenatal complications, intrapartum care, postpartum care, and newborn care are covered here. And then we have module 3. Module 3 is on reproductive health, where we talk about family planning and contraception, safe abortion services, adolescent and young people's sexual and reproductive health, and gender-based violence, role of women. So similarly, we can move through all these modules, and we have another module on COVID-19. This is an updated version of what we already have, because a lot of information is evolving and we get new information. So this is updated recently, and this module also can be done, which has 4 different modules and 10 CNEs. So finally, to consolidate, by doing this learning management system, COVID-19, we can get 10 CNEs. Module 1, 2, and 3, we can get 5 CNEs each. So I'd just like to tell, the key for successful midwifery is keep educating yourself and never stop learning. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for this opportunity.